to all of you dear friends. سلام به همه شما دوستان عزیز. I hope you're doing well and healthy. امیدوارم خوب و صحتمند باشید. Welcome back to Daily English Learning Channel. به چینل یادگیری روزانه انگلیسی دوباره خوش آمدید. Our today's subject is about میامی پلیس squad. موضوع درس امروزی ما است یعنی گروه پلیسی میامی. So please follow us up to the end of the lesson and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. پس لطفاً تا آخر درس با ما باشید و فراموش نکنید که چینل یوتیوب ما را سابسکرایب کنید. Dear friends, this is the best way that you can improve your English. دوستان عزیز، این روش بهترین روش است که شما میتوانید انگلیسیتان را پیشرفت و ترقی دهید.
Miami Police Squad.
This is a very important job, Dwayne.
Right, boss. What do I have to do?
You have to fly to Bermuda tonight.
Bermuda? I have a girlfriend there.
I know that, but you can't visit her.
Sure, boss. Where do I have to stay?
You have to go to the Palm Tree Hotel, stay in your room, and wait for Eric. Eric has the Picasso painting.
Which passport do I have to use?
The British one. And don't forget, you have to speak with British accent. They can't discover your real nationality.
Okay, do I have to drink tea?
Yes, you do.
No, boss. I hate tea. Okay, Carmen, we have to get that painting. Here is the plan. Go to the Palm Tree Hotel.
Do I have to reserve a room?
No, you don't. We reserved a room for you, next to the Dennis Skinner's room.
Do I have to stay in the room?
No, you don't, but you have to watch Skinner all the time. You have to find that painting.
Do I have to contact you every day?
No, you can't. It is too dangerous for you.
Why?
Because Dennis Skinner's a very dangerous guy.
Okay, is that everything?
And you have to speak with a British accent. He can discover that you are an American police officer.
accent یعنی لهجه یا تاکید. contact یعنی مخاطب. early یعنی زود. hate یعنی نفرت داشتن. palm یعنی کف دست. plan یعنی طرح یا برنامه. nationality یعنی ملیت. reserve یعنی ذخیره یا اندوخته. painting یعنی رنگ آمیزی. discover یعنی کشف کردن. boss یعنی رئیس. real یعنی واقعی یا حقیقی.